Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to split screen on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to view multiple charts at once so you can compare symbols, time frames, or strategies side by side without switching tabs. This feature is especially useful when you want to monitor correlations, check multiple time frames, or keep an eye on different exchanges, all in one place. For example, if you're trading on Shopify and want to analyze your store's performance while watching the market's movements, this feature lets you do both without losing focus on either one. Before we begin, make sure you have TradingView open with any chart loaded. This feature is designed to help you watch more than one view at a time, providing you with greater flexibility and efficiency in your analysis. Whether you're monitoring price action or tracking multiple strategies, the split screen feature can streamline your process. One important note up front: split screen is available for premium users only. If you're on a free plan, you might see a lock icon or a prompt letting you know it's part of a paid plan. If you're not on a premium plan, you can still use TradingView with a single chart and benefit from other features, but split screen is a nice upgrade for advanced users. Now, let's turn it on. Look toward the top right of your chart area and you'll see a small square-shaped icon among the chart controls. Go ahead and click that square icon. This opens the layout options. From there, select the split screen icon. The moment you choose it, your chart will divide into multiple panes, and you'll be able to view more than one chart on the same screen. That's it, simple and quick. It's as easy as clicking a button, and you'll instantly have multiple charts to work with. This can be a real game changer when you need to compare price action across multiple time frames or monitor different assets at the same time. Once the split screen is active, each pane can display a different symbol or the same symbol on different time frames, depending on how you like to work. This is incredibly helpful for building confluence. For example, you can analyze a higher time frame trend while keeping an eye on a lower time frame setup at the same time. This allows you to see a broader market context and zoom in on more specific trading opportunities, making your analysis more efficient and thorough. If you're a Shopify store owner tracking market trends alongside sales performance, this feature lets you easily compare the overall market trend with your store's data in parallel. You may also notice that many settings and tools behave independently in each pane, so you can customize what you see without affecting the others. This is a great way to tailor your charting environment to your exact needs, whether you're comparing symbols or just tracking different strategies at once. For example, you can use one pane to track a stock's price movement while using another pane to check on an indicator like RSI, all without disrupting the flow of information in each pane. This customization can improve your workflow and enhance decision-making, as you can focus on different aspects of the market simultaneously. If you don't see the split screen option, or if it appears but won't activate, that's usually a sign that your current plan doesn't include it. In that case, TradingView will typically display a message explaining that it's a premium feature. You can still continue using a single chart as normal, but upgrading to a premium plan unlocks the multi-chart layout, which can significantly streamline your workflow and make your analysis much more efficient. The multi-chart layout is especially useful when you're working on multiple strategies or comparing several assets, and having it available makes your analysis process faster and more organized. To recap, open your chart, click the square icon at the top right, and select the split screen icon. There you go. Your chart is now split and ready to use. Remember, this is a premium-only feature, so availability depends on your plan. But if you're serious about your technical analysis, upgrading to a premium plan can be a great investment for your trading toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, try it on your next analysis session and see how viewing multiple perspectives on one screen improves your decision-making. Whether you're tracking multiple time frames, comparing strategies, or monitoring correlations between symbols, split screen mode can enhance your overall trading experience. Happy charting!